You might be drawn to fancy TVs with cool features and beautiful old screens, but don't buy the first pretty picture you see. If you really like movies and want your home to feel like a movie theater, you should look into 4K projectors. Compared to TVs, these projectors can show pictures that are bigger, brighter, and in high HD quality. Here we will show you the top 5 best 4K home theater projectors. Subscribe to our channel now and press the bell icon to get regular updates. Let's get into the video. Before we begin, let me clarify that the links of all the products mentioned in this video are given in the description. Number 5. BenQ TK700 STI. The BenQ TK700 STI stands out as an exceptional and reasonably priced 4K projector designed for gaming. However, it's not limited to gaming alone. It's also a strong contender for enjoying TV shows and movies. It's worth noting that its cost might be a bit high considering its specifications. The projector offers impressive support for 4K content at 60 Hz, boasting an exceptional 16 ms response time at that resolution, a rarity among native 4K projectors. This low response time sets a new standard for smooth visuals. If you're looking to experience vivid and sizable gameplay, with images up to 120 inches, this projector sets a remarkable benchmark. Furthermore, if you're content with HE output, you can push the projector to a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Number 4. Samsung The Premier Projector. Samsung has made a great home theater projector called the Premier LSP9T, which is their first one in more than 10 years. This projector is unique because it can show really clear pictures from a very short distance. It uses a laser, which is a type of light that makes colors look great. It has 2,800 units of light and can make a picture that is 130 inches wide. The pictures look vivid and strong. Samsung also works with a special type of picture format called HER10+, which makes movies and TV shows look even better. Samsung's smart TV system is also built into the projector, but it can be a little slow at times. The Premier LSP9T is very expensive, but we think it's a great choice for those who can afford it. Number 3. Hisense PX1 Pro. An ultra-short throw projector like the Hisense PX1 Pro is perfect if you want a big screen but don't want to use a long throw model that projects pictures from the back of a room. The Hisense PX1 Pro is a great UST model that fits perfectly between some very strong competitors. The Hisense PX1 Pro only takes up a small amount of room on a shelf or in a media center, but it can project a 90 to 130-inch picture using 3 laser light sources. It's pretty bright at 2,200 watts, and the 3 red, green, and blue lasers that give it color make the bright picture look even better. The projector's built-in speakers can handle sound in a pinch, but even a cheap soundbar is much better. Number 2. JVC DDEL NZ8. If you have a big budget and want the best 4K projector for a special home theater, try the JVC DDEL NZ8. It is JVC's newest 4K projector. Instead of lamps like past models, this one uses bioluminescent, a type of laser light. This makes the pictures brighter and more even, and it also makes the projector last longer. It doesn't make a lot of fan noise and keeps the dark parts dark. This projector is really good because it improves on what JVC is already good at. Also, it adds a lot of new things. The NZ8 projector costs a lot of money, but JVC priced it in the same range as Sony's 4K laser projectors. The fact that there is no other projector exactly like the NZ8 is interesting. So this is the one to get if you want great speed, great HDR picture quality, a lot of features, and a projector that will work well for a long time. It stands out because there is nothing else like it right now. Number 1. Epson Pro Cinema LS12000. If you want a great 4K projector without spending a lot of money like the expensive ones from JVC and Sony, consider the Epson Pro Cinema. It uses a special kind of light to show really clear pictures. It's great for watching movies at home on a big screen you hang on the wall. The LS12000 is a 50-pound projector that is big and heavy. Inside, it has a special technology that makes it light up brightly and in different colors. There are no strange things on the screen, and the pictures look great. Even when the room isn't very dark, the picture looks great, but when all the lights are out, it looks even better. This projector works well in big rooms, but it's too strong for small rooms. It's made for watching movies at home seriously, and it's worth the price, which is neither too high nor too low. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Like and share the video and follow us for more content. Thank you.